1976 BMW 2002. Price: $32,500. Location: Virginia, USA. The 1976 BMW 2002 See here is far more than just a classic car. It is one of the automobiles that helped build BMW's worldwide reputation for creating exciting driver's cars. Finished in its highly desirable factory Inca orange paint and complemented by a black interior, this vintage German icon remains as captivating today as it was nearly 5 decades ago. The exterior design showcases everything enthusiasts love about the golden age of European motoring. Its compact dimensions, sharp body lines, chrome accents, and unmistakable BMW styling create a timeless appearance that continues to attract attention wherever it goes. The vibrant Inca orange finish makes this example especially memorable, standing out among modern vehicles while preserving the authentic character that collectors seek. The power comes from a spirited inline 4-cylinder engine paired with a Weber 2-barrel carburetor and a 4-speed manual transmission. This combination delivers the kind of raw and engaging driving experience that has largely disappeared from today's automotive landscape. Every gear change feels purposeful, every acceleration feels rewarding, and every mile behind the wheel reminds drivers why the BMW 2002 became a legend among enthusiasts around the world. The driving dynamics are where this classic BMW truly shines, thanks to its lightweight construction, balanced chassis, and responsive steering. The 2002 offers a level of connection between driver and machine that modern cars rarely achieve. Front disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, while the car's nimble handling makes winding roads an absolute joy to explore. It is easy to understand why so many automotive journalists and collectors consider the BMW 2002 one of the greatest sports sedans ever produced. The interior perfectly captures the essence of 1970s German engineering. Sport seats with integrated headrests provide comfort and support, while the classic VDO instrumentation offers a clean and functional layout. The 3-spoke steering wheel, opening vent windows, and factory sunroof add to the nostalgic atmosphere, creating a cabin that feels authentic, purposeful, and unmistakably BMW. The California heritage of this vehicle adds another layer of desirability, accompanied by copies of receipts totaling more than $6,400. This example demonstrates a history of care and maintenance, the presence of a full-size spare tire and numerous original style features further reinforce its appeal as a well-preserved collector automobile. These details matter greatly to enthusiasts searching for a genuine and honest classic BMW.